Most Americans are unaware that 70% of new addictions begin in the home medicine cabinet. Unused, unwanted, and expired medications are contributing to over 190 deaths per day. According to the Journal of Drug Abuse, 89% of consumers are looking for a safe and convenient way to dispose of these unwanted medications. Meet DisposeRx, the future of drug disposal. DisposeRx is the most tested, most convenient in-home drug disposal solution available. Using DisposeRx packets to clean out your medicine cabinet breaks the cycle of drug abuse, misuse, and diversion. Leftover drugs remain in home medicine cabinets for an average of 3 years. That's 1,095 days of opportunity to contribute to a new addiction. According to the Center for Disease Control, nearly 64,000 overdose deaths occurred in 2016, more than the number of men and women lost during the Vietnam War. Over 42,000 of these deaths involved opioids. DisposeRx is a simple, effective, and affordable way to get drugs out of the home. Using DisposeRx is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Open the vial of leftover pills. Fill to 2/3 full with warm water. Add the DisposeRx powder and shake vigorously for about 30 seconds. Almost immediately, you'll notice that you can no longer hear the pills rattling inside the bottle. They're being sequestered by a patented blend of cross-linking polymers that renders the drugs unretrievable for all practical purposes. DisposeRx is environmentally friendly and can be tossed in the household trash. The future of drug disposal is here. Please join DisposeRx in breaking the cycle of addiction that begins in the home medicine cabinet. DisposeRx, site of use in-home drug disposal for safer homes and stronger communities.